Hi everyone, welcome to the next of our Love Your Skin series. I hope you've been enjoying our videos that we've been doing throughout the month. Wanted to talk to you today about our facials. So we've done a lot of videos about how you look after your skin, the different stages of your skin routine, and we've got so many facials here at Vita that it can be a bit confusing. So I wanted to go through some of our facials and talk to you about each of them so you might be able to think about which one would be best for you. So people choose facials for so many different reasons. Obviously everyone normally is thinking about their skin, but this might not be the primary reason for having a facial. Perhaps you're coming and you're really wanting something relaxing. So some people will choose a facial based on how relaxing it is. So I'll tell you about each of our facials and whether or not they're a relaxing facial, because I think that's important if that's what you're looking for. Some of you are probably not interested in relaxation, you're just interested in results. So some of our more advanced facials are not relaxing facials, they're very results driven, and that's what they're focused on. Some of them are not relaxing, so I'll try and go through those with you. So first of all, I want to talk to you about our Natural Spa Factory facials. So if you love natural products and that's something you're really looking for in a facial, then the Natural Spa Factory facials are fantastic. So made with lots of natural and organic ingredients. Smell beautiful, lovely relaxing treatment. It is a results driven facial, so you are going to get results, but it is also really focusing on the lovely massage, the relaxation element as well. So if you're really looking for a nice relaxing massage, then the Natural Spa Factory is fantastic. We've got two facials in that range. One is the Renew and Illuminate facial. Now that uses rice bran and vanilla, and rice is a fantastic exfoliant, but nice and gentle. Smells absolutely fantastic, this one, and it's a really lovely facial for brightening the skin. It's called the Renew and Illuminate, so it's going to really illuminate the skin, so it's great for that. And then we go on to our 23 karat gold facial. So this is also Natural Spa Factory. It's more for an aging skin, for someone who's slightly drier and wants to really hydrate the skin. Also really illuminating. It comes with the 23 karat gold products, and we also do a lovely foot and leg massage during the mask stage of this facial with a lovely honey candle. So if you're really looking for a luxurious, really relaxing facial, this is found because you've got all the work on your skin, but also we are giving you that relaxation with the wonderful massage and the foot and leg massage. Then we've got our Dermalogica Pro60 facial. So this is much more bespoke. Dermalogica have a huge product range. So in this one, we can really look at your skin, talk to you about your skin concerns, and we'll hand pick products based on what you're telling us about your skin. So it might be that that facial is different every time you come to us. Perhaps you've got a new skin concern, perhaps your skin's needing something else, perhaps you've been traveling and your skin is much drier. So this is a great facial if you want to really get into the nitty-gritty of your skin. We use really strong professional exfoliations, so much more than you can do yourself at home with a facial. It's also very relaxing. We do a nice face and scalp massage during that as well, so it is a nice relaxing facial. We use steam in this facial as well. Some people love having steam in their facial, so this is really good, and that's one of the main facials that we use steam in. So then we start to go into our more advanced facials. We have our Skinbreeze Microdermabrasion. So this is focusing on the surface of the skin. Such a brightening facial. It can also work on things like acne and really resurfacing the skin. So it can focus on aging. We do different lengths of Skinbreeze treatment. So we start with a 45-minute treatment. You can also have the 80-minute Skinbreeze, and that includes the neck, much more detailed work on fine lines and wrinkles and aging. So that's a really nice one if you're wanting to work on the surface of the skin. Then we have our non-surgical facelift. So this is working on skins that are slightly loose and sagging, and you're more interested in lifting the skin as opposed to working on the surface of the skin itself. So it can be combined with other facials if you want to also work on the surface of the skin, but this is really working on tightening the muscles and tightening and toning the skin, so really lifting any of that sagging that you might have. So that's a specific one. This facial is definitely not relaxing. It's definitely a results driven facial. The feeling that you have with the microcurrent part of the facial is it sort of feels you can feel the muscles moving. You can feel sort of a popping in the head. It's not horrible, but it's not one that's going to send you to sleep. It's very much a results-driven facial. So definitely one to pick if you really want to change the look of your face. It has to be done as a course. You won't get results with a one-off facial with this one, because with the non-surgical facelift, we're having to build up the momentum. So we're working on the muscles and we work on them each time. So that has to be done as a course. Okay, so we've talked about Skinbreeze in terms of resurfacing of the skin. And then up a notch from that, we have our Regima facial. So this is a face peel, but it's not a chemical peel, it's a fruit peel. So it's not harsh on the skin like a chemical peel can be. It's very good if you have uneven skin, if you have scarring, if you want to really focus on lines and wrinkles. What it's doing is it's resurfacing the skin and it's bringing new collagen into the skin. It's an absolutely fantastic facial. Again, it's a results-driven facial. It's definitely not a relaxing facial. It's not like some peels where your skin actually peels. So with some of the chemical peels, your skin peels sort of in the days following the peel. That doesn't happen with Regima. You experience a little bit of dryness for a couple of days and then your skin looks fantastic. So really brightens the skin and really renews the skin. So that's a great one. Now with Regima, you do have to use the Regima home care. Most of our facials you can continue using what you're using at home, but you can't with Regima because the products might react with the fact that you've had a face peel. So that comes either with the mini home cares, which are a travel size, or there's an option with the full size home care products as well. So you need to be using at least the travel size worth and finish that off before you go back to your normal products if you want to go back to them. So then next on the list is our SSR Photorejuvenation. So this is using the Cosmetico machine. So it's very, very advanced. We do a full face photorejuvenation, which also works. You can also include the neck in that as well. And that is working on really rejuvenating the skin. So definitely turning back time, working on aging, and it's doing the full face. It also helps with pigmentation, a really good one for pigmentation. It's worth saying that with pigmentation, it gets worse before it gets better because it's drawing it out, so it becomes much darker originally. So you want to make sure that you just get your timing right with that. But we offer a consultation, so we'll just go through with you. You wouldn't want to have it just before a big event because you have a few days where it's going to look slightly darker because we're bringing the pigmentation out. So also within the the SSR, we also work on thread veins. So that's much more specific. We don't do the whole face, we'll just literally work on the thread veins. So we're using with this machine light. So we're putting light into the face, which converts to heat, which then has the effect that we want on the different things. So either the photorejuvenation, which is working on aging and rejuvenating the skin, or the thread veins, which is much more specific. And we can also do pigmentation specifically, so you might just want to work on a particular area of pigmentation. We can do that as a separate area rather than doing the full face photorejuvenation. Again, definitely not a relaxing facial, very much a results-driven facial. You can do one-off sessions for the photorejuvenation, but it's really recommended to do a course of this one. So this comes in a course of 6, and we do them fairly close together. With the thread veins, you definitely need at least 3 sessions with that, so we sell that as a course of 3, and then you can book individual sessions afterwards. So the next thing we offer is our Dermapen Microneedling. So this is absolutely fantastic for turning back time and for helping aging. So this works with a pen which has tiny needles which makes small micro channels into the skin. So it's going deep into the skin to rejuvenate. So it's really all about bringing new collagen and new elastin to the skin. It massively works on lines and wrinkles, so you'll see a huge reduction in depth, and it really helps smooth the skin. Fantastic for skin tone, for open pores, also good for pigmentation, acne, scarring. We can also use it on other areas of the body, very good for stretch marks and scarring as well. So this is very advanced, and we would recommend a course of 3 for that one. So you do 3, and then the body continues to produce new collagen for 1 to 2 years, and you would have a top up once yearly. So once you've had your initial 3, which comes 6 weekly, slightly different timings if you're working on something like pigmentation, then you would have once a year just as a top up, because if you think about what I was saying earlier about the collagen is depleting as you age, so we're putting new collagen back into the skin, encouraging formation of new collagen, but that will then start to drop off again as you age. So once a year will give you back that top up so that you prevent that aging, further aging. This is also a fantastic one for rosacea. We've had fantastic results on rosacea with the Dermapen Microneedling, so that's a really great treatment to try if you're suffering with rosacea. And also will work on thread veins as well. Again, not a relaxing treatment, it feels a bit scratchy. And also with this one, you don't want to be going to an event that evening because you will look red. So you'll have some redness that evening, it looks a little bit sunburnt, and then by the next day your skin is back to normal, but it's not, it's definitely not a quick fix facial. So this one takes sort of 6 to 8 weeks to see the real results. So if you're looking more for something for an event, a wedding, and it's kind of in a couple of weeks' time, go for something like our Skinbreeze or our Regima if you've got a week or so before your event. If you're looking for something down the line, maybe for your own wedding or just for changing your skin in general and you're a bit more patient, then something like the Dermapen is fantastic because you'll really continue to see the results throughout that whole year until when you have your top up. Same with the SSR as well, that takes, so the really advanced ones take a bit longer to work on the skin and for you to see your results. So there we go, that's all the different facials that we offer. Hopefully I've managed to give you a little bit of insight into which might be the good one for you to pick, but we do offer a free skin consultation, so feel free to come in and speak to one of our therapists to find out which treatment would be best for your skin. And I'll hope to see you soon. Bye bye.